Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here with you today. I am feeling very happy.
I am happy too, Paul. You look very energetic today. Did you have a good morning?
I did. I had a big breakfast and a very good cup of coffee. You know me, Emily. I love my coffee.
Yes, I know. Coffee is your best friend. But today we are going to talk about other friends, our words.
Ooh, I like that. What is our topic for today's episode?
Today we are talking about essential English phrases for daily conversations. These are the words you need every day.
That is a very important topic. Sometimes when you learn English, you know the words, but you don't know how to use them in a real conversation.
Exactly. We want to help our listeners feel confident at the shop, at work, or just talking to a neighbor.
That sounds perfect. I am ready to learn. But wait, Emily, before we start our chat, we have to ask our friends for a favor.
Oh, yes, you are right, Paul. Everyone, if you like our podcast, please click the like button right now.
Yes, and please subscribe to Mr. English Channel. It helps us a lot. We want to make many more podcasts for you.
And don't forget to share this with your friends. If they are learning English, they can listen and learn with us.
Okay, now I am really ready. So, Emily, what is the first phrase for today?
Well, let's start with greetings. We always say hello or how are you, but in real life, people use other phrases too.
That is true. I often hear people say, "How is it going?"
Yes, how is it going is a great phrase. It is very friendly and very common.
How is it going? Does it mean the same as how are you?
Yes, it is very similar, but it feels a little more relaxed.
I like that. How is it going? And what is the answer?
You can say, it's going well, thank you, or just good, thanks.
Good thanks is easy. I can remember that.
Good job, Paul. Another one is, what's up?
Oh, I hear that in movies. What's up? Is that for everyone?
It is better for friends or people you know well. It is very informal.
So I should not say what's up to my boss, Mr. Henderson.
No, probably not. For your boss, how are you today is much better.
Okay, how are you today for the boss, and what's up for my friend Tom?
Exactly. You are a fast learner. Now, let's talk about being polite. This is very important in English culture.
Oh yes, I know please and thank you.
Those are the kings of English, but there are more. For example, when you want to ask for something, we often start with, excuse me.
Excuse me, like when I want to pass someone on the bus?
Yes, or if you want to ask a question to a stranger, you say, excuse me, where is the station?
Ah, I see. It is like a polite hello before a question.
That's a great way to say it. And what do you say if you make a small mistake?
I say, I'm sorry.
Yes, but if you didn't hear someone, you can say, sorry?
Sorry, with a question sound?
Yes, it means, I didn't hear you. Can you say that again?
Oh, that is very useful. Sometimes people speak very fast and I don't understand.
That happens to everyone. Another good phrase for that is, could you repeat that, please?
Wait, Emily, you said, could you repeat that, please?
Yes, I used it right now. Could you repeat that, please? It is very polite.
I will use that a lot. Could you repeat that, please? It makes me feel safe.
It should. Don't be afraid to ask. Most people are happy to help.
That is good to know. What about when I'm at a shop or a restaurant? I always get nervous there.
Shops are great places to practice. A very useful phrase is, how much is this?
How much is this for the price?
Yes, you point to a shirt or an apple and say, how much is this?
And if I want to buy it, I say, I'll take it.
Perfect. I'll take it. Or if you're at a cafe, you can say, can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have? I like that. It's better than just saying, give me coffee.
Oh, yes. Give me sounds a little angry. Can I have is very sweet and polite.
Can I have a green tea, please?
There you go. And at the end, when you want to pay, you ask, Can I have the check, please?
The check. That is the paper with the price, right?
Yes. In some places, they say the bill, and in some places, the check. Both are okay.
Can I have the bill, please? Okay, I'm writing these down in my mind.
Good. Now, what about when you want to offer help to a friend?
I can say, do you need help?
Yes, that is good. Or you can say, Can I help you with that?
Can I help you with that? That sounds very kind.
It is. People love hearing that. And if someone helps you, you say, Thank you so much.
And the other person says, you're welcome.
Yes. Or they might say, No problem.
No problem. I like that one. It sounds very relaxed.
It is. I use no problem all the time.
Emily, what if I am in a conversation and I want to show that I am listening? I don't want to just sit there like a statue.
That is a great question. We call these listening noises.
Listening noises? Like and ah?
Yes, but also phrases like, I see. Really? And that's interesting.
I see. Does that mean I am looking at something?
No, in this case, I see means I understand.
Ah, I see. So if you tell me a story about your dog, I can say, I see.
Yes, or if I say something surprising, you say, Really?
Really? I use that one already. It's fun.
It is. And if the story is good, you say, That's great, or That's awesome.
That's awesome. I feel like a real English speaker now.
You are a real English speaker, Paul. You just need to practice every day.
Practice is the hard part.
It doesn't have to be. You can practice these phrases while you walk or even when you are alone at home.
Alone at home? Talking to my sofa?
Why not? I talk to my coffee cup sometimes.
Okay, you win.
Let's talk about saying goodbye. Goodbye is fine, but there are better ways.
Like, see you later?
Yes, see you later is very common. Or see you soon.
What is the difference?
See you later is for when you will see them today. See you soon is just a friendly way to say bye.
And have a nice day. I hear that at the supermarket all the time.
Yes, have a nice day is a classic. It is very positive.
I like to say, take care. Is that okay?
Take care is beautiful. It shows you care about the person.
Okay, see you later, have a nice day, and take care.
Perfect. Now, Paul, let's imagine a situation. Imagine you are at a party and you meet someone new.
Oh, a party. I like parties. There is music and food.
Yes. So you see a person, you walk to them. What do you say?
I smile and say, hello, I'm Paul. What's your name?
Good. And the person says, I'm Maria.
Then I say, nice to meet you, Maria.
Perfect. Nice to meet you is the best phrase for new people.
Then what? I don't know Maria. It is quiet. This is the scary part.
Don't be scared. Ask a simple question. Ask about the party.
Do you like the music?
Yes. Or how do you know our host?
How do you know? Ah, that is a good one.
Or you can just say, it's a great party, isn't it?
Isn't it? That is like asking for their opinion.
Exactly. It starts a conversation.
This is helping me a lot, Emily. I think many people feel nervous because they think they need to say big, difficult things.
You are so right, Paul. But simple phrases are often the best. They make the conversation flow.
Flow, like water.
Yes, a good conversation moves easily.
I want my English to flow like a river.
It will. You just need to keep your toolbox full of these phrases.
My toolbox. I have a lot of tools today.
We have many more. Think about when you are at work. Your colleague asks for your opinion.
He says, what do you think about the new office?
And if you agree, you can say, I agree with you.
I agree.
Or if you are not sure, you can say, I'm not sure about that.
I'm not sure. That is very polite. It is better than saying, no, you are wrong.
Yes. Avoid saying you are wrong. It's better to say, I see your point, but...
I see your point, but... Wow, Emily, that is very professional.
Thank you. It's a good phrase for business.
I am learning so much. My head is full of phrases.
Don't worry, we are almost done. Let's talk about one more situation. You are at a friend's house.
My friend invites me for dinner.
You arrive at the door, you ring the bell.
My friend opens the door. I say, hi, thank you for inviting me.
Good, and maybe you have a gift, a bottle of juice or some flowers?
I say, this is for you.
Excellent. And your friend says, oh, thank you. Come in.
Inside, I see the house is very clean. I say, you have a beautiful home.
That is a wonderful compliment. Compliments are like magic in conversations.
Magic words. You have a beautiful home. I like your shirt. The food is delicious.
Yes, people love to hear nice things. It makes them feel relaxed and happy to talk to you.
I am going to use more compliments. I want to be a conversation magician.
I love that name, Paul. You are the conversation magician.
Thank you, Emily. You are a great teacher.
Oh, Paul, that is a very nice compliment. Thank you.
See, it works.
It really does. Well, we have talked about a lot of phrases today.
Yes, we have. Greetings, politeness, shopping, work, and parties.
It was a very busy episode.
But it was fun. I feel like these phrases are easy to use.
They are. And remember, everyone, you don't need to be perfect. Just try.
Yes, a small mistake is okay. The important thing is to talk.
Exactly. Communication, not perfection.
I remember that from our other episode. It is a very good rule.
It is my favorite rule.
Well, Emily, our time is almost finished. Should we remember the main points together?
Yes, let's do a quick chat about what we learned today.
Okay, so we started with greetings. We learned how is it going and what's up.
Yes, and we talked about being very polite. Phrases like, excuse me, sorry, and could you repeat that, please?
Oh, and my favorites for the cafe. Can I have a coffee? And can I have the check?
Good ones. And don't forget the listening noises like, I see, and really. They show you are interested.
And the compliments. That's awesome, and I like your style.
Yes. And finally, saying goodbye with see you later or take care.
Wow, we really did talk about a lot.
We did. It was a great session. I hope everyone at home enjoyed it too.
I hope so. It was very useful for me.
I'm glad, Paul. Now, before we go, we have a question for our listeners.
Oh yes, everyone please leave a comment below. Tell us, what is your favorite English phrase to use?
Yes, or you can tell us about a time you used one of these phrases. We love reading your stories.
It is so much fun to see you all practicing your English in the comments.
It really is. And if you liked this episode, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And give us a like. It helps us make more videos for you.
And share the podcast with your friends. Let's grow our English community together.
Yes, let's help everyone talk with confidence.
Well, Paul, I think that's it for today.
I think so too. I am going to go practice my phrases now.
Good luck, Paul.
Thank you, Emily. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you in the next episode.
Take care.
Have a nice day.